In the U.S., a judge in New York City has now cleared the way for Donald Trump's first criminal trial to proceed next month. It means the former president, who wants to be president again, could be convicted before November's election.
Sit here for months on a trial. I think it's ridiculous. It's unfair. A trial that legal scholars say there's no crime. They say there's no crime.
Outside the courthouse, Trump claimed it's all just an elaborate effort to interfere with his campaign. The case centers around his alleged attempts to hide hush money payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels before the 2016 election. Jackson Proskow is in Manhattan tonight. Jackson.
Well, Donna, Trump was seeking to have this case tossed out entirely. Instead, the judge set the start date for March 25th. We should point out this is not the most serious trial Trump faces, but it is going first by virtue of the fact that it's the first one that's ready to go at this point. All told, Trump faces 34 different charges in this case, all surrounding an alleged business fraud, an alleged scheme to suppress negative stories ahead of the 2016 election through hush money payments. Prosecutors say that, of course, this relates to Stormy Daniels. Trump is now the first former president to face any sort of trial. And what sets this case apart is that, unlike the other matters, if Trump is ultimately convicted here, he cannot pardon himself if he's reelected, and he cannot be pardoned by anyone else because these are state-level charges. Of course, as a man who is running for reelection, the timing of this trial could not be any worse, and it's expected to last for about 6 weeks.
This is a criminal case, and that means that former President Trump will have to be in attendance every day of the criminal trial. He can't walk out during closing arguments. He can't walk out during cross-examination of other witnesses. He's got to be there every single day.
Interesting, though, Jackson, we know he's used every other legal case to help his campaign. Tomorrow could be a devastating day for Trump's business empire. What's expected in the civil fraud case against him?
We're expecting tomorrow, Donna, the judge to deliver a verdict in that case. We know that prosecutors have asked for $370 million in damages. They are also seeking to have Trump and his adult sons barred from doing business in New York. Effectively, if the judge brings down the maximum sentence, he could dissolve the Trump organization. You're right, this would be absolutely devastating for him. We should also point out that, of course, if the maximum verdict is delivered here, Trump will have suffered nearly $500 million in penalties against him in the matter of just a couple of weeks here. In this case and in all the others, Trump continues to insist he has done nothing wrong. And Donna, he continues to insist without any evidence that this is all part of some sort of plot to keep him from running for re-election.
Okay, Jackson in New York City tonight. Thanks.